Hi, welcome to this video on Kannada consonants. Kannada consonants, these are the Kannada consonants, and we'll see very quickly how to pronounce each one of them so that we get the pronunciation. And if you look at the shapes of these letters, you have many curves here, not many straight lines, as you can see in any other language, any other script. In fact, there are no straight line letters at all in Kannada. Almost everything has either this pattern like this in so many places. You see, so many letters have got this shape. All over, in every row, you will have at least one, and you'll have these circles in various places. Largely curves, too many curves in the shapes of these letters. And let's see how to pronounce them very quickly. These sounds, this row, you make the sound from your throat. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. So with no effort, with full effort, with no effort, with full effort, and the nasal sound. That's the pattern. So cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Notice how we are saying a at the end of each consonant, because remember, this vowel is pronounced as a. Because this vowel is pronounced as a, all these consonants will, when you pronounce them, you have a at the end. That a sound you will keep hearing. And this is not the sound of Hindi. It's not the o sound of Bengali, but it is a. Kannada a. Telugu is also a. Like the Tamil is also a. That a sound is very evident when you hear a Kannada speaker. And then you have ya, ra, la, va, sha, sha, sa, ha, la. These are the last set of consonants. Let's focus on these two, Sha and Sha. There is a correct way of pronouncing. So if this one, you say it from the front of your mouth, almost a sa, but with a sh. So how do you say sh? That sounds very close to sa. So it is sha, sha. Telugu speakers, if you hear them say this, you will think they are saying S and not SH. But there's a very, very subtle difference in the way they pronounce it. The way they pronounce Sha, Sha in Telugu is accurate. Kannada speakers tend to pronounce these two pretty much the same. When you hear Kannada speakers speak, the chances are they will not pronounce this any different. They'll say Sha, Sha. They'll say Modalne Sha, Eradne Sha. First Sha, second Sha. So when they write it, they need to know which one to write, because otherwise it will be a spelling mistake. But when they pronounce it, if you don't know Kannada and you're listening to a Kannada speaker, chances are you will hear the same sound for both. So this is Sha, and this one is Sha. Sha from the back of your mouth with more effort, you say Sha. And this one is Sha. It's very loose and from the front of the mouth. So that's a subtle difference. You will see that difference more in when Telugu speakers speak that. So these are the consonants. Now, this script, we're exploring scripts here, and this script is not only a Kannada script, just not used just for Kannada. There are other languages also who use this script. So Badaga, Tulu, Konkani are also written in this. They all have another script. Tulu has Tigalari, Konkani uses Devanagari as well. It uses Latin script also. It uses Malayalam script also, depending on which region you're from. Tulu has a similar story. Kodagu language, Kodava language, they in Kurg. So they have a different script, but they also use this script. When they use this script, some of the sounds that are there in those languages don't exist over here. So there are some variations they make. So there is a sound in Tulu, for example, which is not possible in this. So in Tamil, that sound you will hear. In Kashmiri, there's a sound. In Tulu, you have that sound. But in this script, you don't have that. So what they do is they take this and then they add another shape to make it So there are some extensions to this script also. I thought I'll just mention that those extensions. Sometimes we'll explore it when we look at another script. I will come back to this script and show the reference. But for now, largely, if you look at this script, people would recognize it as a Kannada language script. Although the language and the script have nothing in common. The language is different, the script is different, right? You can separate them and take another language and write it in this script, or take the script and you can write another language. But that is the introduction to just the Kannada consonants, what they are, how do you pronounce them, and that is this video. Let's look at vowel signs or Gunitakshara in the next video. Thank you.